In today's video, I am going to teach you how to block websites in Google Chrome. Start by opening Google Chrome. Once Chrome is open, go to the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find extensions that add extra features to your browser. After the store loads, go to the Extensions section and use the search bar to look for Block Site. When you find Block Site, click the option to add it to Chrome. Chrome may show a confirmation prompt before the extension installs. If that appears, approve the installation and wait a moment for it to finish. Once it is added, the extension will be available from the Extensions area in the upper right corner of the browser. If needed, you can also pin it so it is easier to access later. After the extension has been installed, go to the website that you want to block. Let the page load fully before moving on. This is important because the extension needs to recognize the current site correctly. Once the site is open and completely loaded, look to the upper right corner of Chrome and click the Extensions icon. From the list of installed extensions, click on Block Site. This will open the extension menu. In that menu, choose the option that says Block Current Site. As soon as you click that option, the website will be added to your blocked list. From that point on, Chrome will prevent normal access to that site through the extension. If you are blocking several sites, you can repeat the same process for each one. Just open the site, let it load, click the extensions icon, select Block Site, and choose to block the current site. This keeps the process consistent and easy to follow. That covers everything you need to know.